welcome back to another episode of Drawing for Kids. First of all, I want to thank everybody who has been commenting of suggestions of animals that they would like us to draw. I want you to know that we are making a note of these, so they will be coming up in future episodes. However, today's episode, I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little owl. So, the same as previous episodes, all we're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil. And then if you want to colour it in at the end, then you're more than welcome to do so. So, let's get into the video. I'll show you how you can draw a cute little owl. Right, okay, so the first bit that we're going to focus on is the owl's head. So for this, similar to the other drawings that we've done in the past, you're going to draw a nice little arc at the top of your page, like so. For the ears, we're going to have it slightly overlapping. So we're going to start slightly in, and then we're going to come up, and then we're going to come down, but follow it round to around there, and then do exactly the same on the other side. So start slightly in, come up, and then arc round and down, just so that they're in line with each other, like so. Nice. We're then going to draw the part of the owl's face. So starting in the middle of the owl's head, come down slightly, and then we're going to draw an arc up, round and down until it joins in line with the other line we've previously just drawn. So up, round and down. There we go. We're then going to connect these lines by drawing across, slightly arced to the other side. There we go, and then connect everything up. Perfect. Right, we're now going to focus on the owl's eyes. So for this, we're going to draw two fairly large circles right in the middle. There we go, there's one, and then the same on the other side. Perfect. Nice. And to make the owl look cute, we'll then do the little bits at the bottom of the eyes to give it a little bit of character. Perfect. And then to give the eyes some life, we'll draw two circles which we can then leave white. Next part, we'll focus on the owl's nose. So it's a slight oval shape, but with the points at the end. We'll give the owl some character also by giving it some little eyelashes. Perfect. Nice. We're then going to come slightly out. We're going to actually give the owl a little scarf, as that's seasonal right now. So come up, down and round. Do the same on the other side. Up, down and round. And then we're going to connect, trying to maintain the same distance between the top line and the bottom line. And then from here, the scarf's going to come out. That's one part. And the second part of the scarf can come down this way. These are just the little tassels at the end of the scarf. And then you can, if you want to, give your scarf any design that you want to. I'm going to just put some triangles inside, but you could draw some dots, you could draw some squares, you could draw just some lines. It's entirely up to you. But I'm going to come along and just give it a nice easy triangular pattern, like so. There we go. And then the same on this side here. Let's go this way. One side and then the same on this side too. Perfect. Right, we're now going to focus on the owl's body. So for this, we're going to use the curvature of the line of the head, and we're going to follow that down like so, and then we'll focus on this side for now, and we'll focus on doing the owl's wings. So we'll come up and come up again, and then come up for the last time. Nice. And we'll just do a smaller one inside, which will be the other part of the owl's wing. We can then do the same on the other side, but we're just, because the scarf is covering part of the owl's body, we're just going to be doing one part of the owl's wing. Like so. And again, try and make them as even as possible. Give the owl a little bit of fluffiness. We can then put these little bits inside. We'll do a few more in a second, but once we know where the bottom of the owl's body is going to be. So following on from where the wings finish, we can then draw the owl's body coming round and along. Leave a little bit of space, and you'll see why in a second. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So find in line, and then we'll come round and stop there. So for this bit, we're going to be doing the owl's feet. So very simply, just going to draw a sausage shape, 3 sausage shapes, and then leave a bit of space, and then it will be another 3 sausage shapes. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Finish off some more the fluffs. Right, so we'll have the owl sitting on a tree branch. So we'll start in one side, and we can draw the branch coming along and going into the owl's feet. So this isn't the body, this is actually the branch coming through where the owl is sitting. And then we can finish it up there. And then we'll continue branch coming along in here, work along, and then taper up. There we go. That can actually look like the branch coming across, like so. Perfect. And then for the owl's tail, underneath the branch in line with the owl's feet, you can draw coming down and around like so. And these we can actually draw in all the way up to the end. Drawing the feathers, put 3 lines on each side, and we'll put 3 in the middle. Perfect. So now all that's left to do is we need to colour it in. And there we have it, your cute little owl. Thank you to all of you who are following along with me. Remember, put down in the comment section below any suggestions of animals that you would like us to draw, because we will definitely choose them at some point in future episodes. If you haven't already done so, then please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. There will be another video uploaded next week of a completely new animal for you to draw. And if you haven't already done so, then please like this video because it really does help. So that's it from me, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. See you later.